Hello everyone, my name is Chantal Stewart. I am delighted to be part of the Life Writing Collective series of online writing workshops, The Writer's Way. In November, under the auspices of The Writer's Way, I will be sharing 2 3-hour workshops based on the theme of family. We all have family members whom we know very little about. There may be the uncle who ran off to the war, or the black sheep of the family. We will be accessing memories of these people and using our imagination to create an imaginary life for them. And this can then be used later in fiction writing and creating characters for your work of fiction. All you need is a paper and pen and a zeal to get going and explore your imagination. So I look forward to seeing you online in November.